Hello, Assalamu alaikum dosto. This is Yumi. We are going to learn basic C++ variable types and variables declaration and variable definition. First of all, I would like to share with you what are the variable types or basic data types. There are four to five basic data types in a C++. First of all is integer data type, which also have character, short, integer, long, and unsigned character, unsigned, short character, and so on. And there is another type which is floating point data types. Floating point data type has three other data types, which are floating point data type, double floating point data type, and long double floating point data type. Third one is logical data type, which is boolean, true or false. Its values will be true or false value. And fourth one is character data type, which is also called string data type, which is character or W character T. Character constant in single quotes A would be an asset. It will be used as a string variable or string data type, and another data type is data type text data type, which is string. I have already told you that the character and strings are little bit looks like same, but the difference is only these quotes. These quotes are the difference between the character data type and string data types. So string data types are long double quotes and written in the double quotes. So now we are going to check the other data types, which are void, unsigned. What are void? Void mean it doesn't return any value of the function. Mean there is a function which has no return value, and another value is unsigned or signed integer. Unsigned integers are those characters having minus values, and unsigned short integer having -1 value. And basic arithmetic types or data types value or their size would be one character is equal to 1 byte, short is equal to 2 byte, and integer is equal to 4 byte, long is equal to also 4 byte, and float is also equal to 4 byte. Double is equal to 8 byte, and long double is equal to 10 byte. And digit precision would be 7, 15, and 19. It will consist in long double data types. So these all are data types. Now we are checking what are the variable. Variable are something like to store something in it. Let's have a look at an example, which is we have a bucket, and in this bucket there is water stored in that bucket. So we will call that bucket as a variable, and in water which is stored in bucket is its value. Water will be its value. So it is called like a variable. Variable is something having a value and will be reused. Sometime we can reuse it somewhere in our programs or in our functions. So variables are those uh, those buckets or some kind of boxes which can store a value in it temporarily, and we can use it anywhere at any time. So there are three types of naming. First type is base type, second is prefixes, and third one is qualifier. Qualifier mean how we can write a name for a variable. Variable name how we can use, and how we can create a variable. So now coming back to the topic of variable, machine level representation of built-in types. Variable difference between a and a quotation and type of every entity in our program should be known to the compiler. So variables declaration would be like this: extern, I mean int, its data type and variable name. With data type, variable data type and variable name, and its definition will be something int I is equal to 10 or ab or something else. It will be definition of a variable. Let's have a look at the examples given in the following section, and in this section we will create a float quantity and its value will be 1.0 and something like this. Float quantity is equal to 1.0 mean having a quantity named variable, quantity named variable, and its type is float and its value is 110, and it is also a variable definition. Now we are coming back to the program which is also having a qualifier. So this was a good session about C++ variable. Till next time, love, and we will come back after few minutes. Thank you so much. Love.